Can I please pull the lever?
Yes, you may.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
My lawnmower won't work.
May I try?
Yes, you may.
I can't get to work, but I have a recommendation for you. You go deep into the darkest woods, over the hills and through the woods, and then you just go to the store and buy a new lawnmower. Gee.
My lawnmower won't work. I had to the bird stuck in it. Did you find a thing? Yes, I did. Yes, you may. Seems to be that you did. May I try it? Yes, you may. I can't get it. What seems to be the problem? My lawnmower won't work and I think it's really rusty.
Did you try the oil?
Yes. Yes,
You like that?
Yes, you may.
Can I try the lever?
Yes, you may.
I guess I can't get it to work.
My lawnmower won't work. Yes, I did. Yes, you did. Can I try? Yes, you did. I can't start it. You got a heap of junk right there. My lawnmower won't work. Check the gas. Yes, I did. Can I try it? I can't get started by doing a piece of ice. Sell it. I think I saw the blade fall off. May I have a volunteer? How about Mr. Beasley?
Look at the shoes.
Can I help you? Okay. What should I do? This lever right here? Okay.